Assalamu alaikum class. So let's start. We just want to talk about how that we will going to proceed for our mocks um, on Saturday for paper one. We people have done for paper two already last week. So far the videos that we have conducted or the lessons that we have taken, all of them are here uploaded on my channel. I have shared these videos with you in my last classes. Let me just highlight it for you. If you can see that we have get done with this video, this O-level computer science binary decimal conversion, and we have also done with the hexadecimal number systems and its uses. So I will first go through these videos and from where you have to prepare. I did have told you that you must go with the booklet 1.1. You can get the questions from there. So let's have a look. These videos, binary to decimal conversions and hexadecimal conversions and their uses and all the things that are relevant to number system conversions and data representation. All right, if you go to the website, you can go to O-level section, and in O-level section, you can go to this 1.1 data representation. Okay, in 1.1 data representation, you can I'll just go with the downloaded booklets. If you will once download that 1.1 data representation, you will come up with this booklet, data representation. Okay. All right. So just let me open it with I guess it's, yeah.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, Shahzeb. How are you?
Walaikum assalam, sir. Yes, very good.
But
Fine,
I'm
sir.
going
Afternoon.
for the quick review of the lectures that I shared in this week, the logic gate
Yes, sir.
lectures and the data representation, number systems, binary, decimal, hexadecimal lectures, and from where you have to prepare yourself for the mock of paper one. Definitely only the lectures that I have shared, only the things that I will going to let you know in this class, that will be coming in the paper. Okay, the paper one
Yes, sir.
this week. So nothing will be out of it. Even though I remember that we did few things in the class, but right now we will be focusing on the material that I will be talking about or sharing during this week. That's it. So just for the sake of keeping things simple. All right. So this is a booklet I just showed in the beginning of the class, which I'm just recording this lecture. You can watch it later. So these are the questions which are relevant to number system conversions. So you should be able to solve these questions after watching those videos. Definitely you can skip these questions in which the C part describe how the microprocessor can determine when to sound the alarm clock, yes or no. So because we haven't covered this thing, so you can skip it. But the A and B part, you can solve it. If you move on, you should be able to solve all these questions accordingly. And I have solved these questions in that class as well, which I've shared with you. Okay, so these are the things that you need to practice. This is from the booklet 1.1. You just have to remember that. And again, these exercises are solved in that video that I've shared as well, so you can have a proper idea. Also, the hexadecimal number systems and the uses of hexadecimal number systems. So again, you have to go through those videos in detail because all the details are there. You will going to have an idea from where you have to prepare, from where you need to practice these questions that will be coming in your paper one mock that will be conducted on Saturday, inshallah. So focus on that. The other part that we discussed was, let's have a look on the videos. So we have covered this, sorry, this hexadecimal. Where is it? Yeah, this has hexadecimal number system and uses O-level computer science binary decimal conversions. So we people have done that. And then we did some more videos on, where is it? Filing, deleting of record. Yeah, these are the pretty early videos which I made actually. They're quite good. My bad, touchscreen. Okay, so O-level computer science, logic gates, and O-level computer science logic gates part 2. This O/A is being mentioned here because the same logic gates, ditto, absolutely the same logic gates are being used in A levels AS part as well. Okay, first year of A levels. So there's nothing to be worried about this. It's absolutely the same. Nothing is out of the syllabus. All the things that are being taught here are coming and important. Now, which booklet you need to refer? Jaza, do you know which booklet to refer for these things? Anas? It's booklet 1.3. So if you go to the website, it's this one, hardware and software. Okay. So if you go to hardware and software, there we go. So this is the biggest booklet, largest, thickest booklet of our O levels syllabus. There are around 7 subtopics, but we will be focusing on this one because this is the largest one, logic gates. And this is also the, it's not tricky, it's easy once you understand the topic. So all the notes, the details notes are there, how you will be able to, use these notes. Sure. आज मैं कम से कम एक टॉपिक और तुम लोगों को करवाने के लिए जाऊंगा. I will go for one more topic. And टॉपिक इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो तुम्हारे पेपर में भी इंक्लूड हो जाएगा. अच्छा. ओके, बुकलेट बहुत बड़ी है तो उसके पास पेपर्स बहुत नीचे से जाके स्टार्ट हो गए यहाँ से. अच्छा, there could be lots of questions. But you guys would be focusing on only these one, where you can see the truth tables, the gates, the logics, and all that thing. Let's solve one another question, so you can have practice. Jazeb, Anas, guys, can you solve this question? Can you try, or should I help you out with this? If you have watched the videos, both of them, then definitely you can. You can. नहीं तो फिर definitely मुश्किल हो जाएगा. क्या कहते हो? Alright. देखो भाई. Solving such questions regarding logic gates, you definitely have to go through those videos once, because this is a little bit advanced question. So you have to have the understanding of what the logic gates are, how the logic works, the AND logic, the OR logic, the NOT logic, the NAND logic, the NOR logic, the XOR logic, and how you can design a logic circuit out of an equation, just like an equation is given here. So let's try to solve it. X is 1 if the first logic is A is not 1 or B is 1. So OR is a gate. We need to draw this gate. NOT is also a gate. A is not 1. So A is not 1. So how are we going to make it not 1? This is your A being not 1. Inverted. Or B is 1. B is 1. And in between A is not 1 and B is 1, there is a gate OR. So B is 1, it's not being not, and it's being ORed. So you also need to remember the shapes of these gates as well. So this is an OR gate, this is a NOT gate. We definitely have to look into the brackets as well, because just like in maths we just follow the BODMAS rule. This bracket part is solved. Now after getting solved, it's getting AND where the C is 1. C is not being getting not, it's just coming like 1. So this is this whole result. This is the result. Okay. It's getting AND with C is 1. So C is being 1 and let's draw it a little bit like this. And it's getting AND. The symbol of the AND gate looks like this. So there you have it. Now this whole part has been solved. Or, but we have to solve this bracket. B is not 1, C is 1. And they're getting AND. So draw an AND gate. B is not 1. Pick the B from here and jump over it. So, and this is your B not 1. B is getting inverted. This means that this wire is short with this wire, and this wire being jumping over it means that it's not connected with this wire. Okay, so this is B is not 1, C is 1. So C, there we go. So this bracket part is also solved. These both things are getting ORed. The results could be, make a little bit. I think I'm just really, yeah. There we go. So this is the final circuit. You're going to get 3 marks for this. So probably this will be 1 mark, this will be 1 mark, this will be 1 mark, probably. So this is how it goes. This is how you can drive the circuit out of the equation. Definitely, if you will going to look into the videos, this is definitely a little bit complicated one. I would have definitely helped you out there with the easier equations, with the easier circuits to go along with, and then gradually you have to solve these questions later on. Write the logic statement. Write the logic statement for this circuit. Let's try that. This is basically other way around, making the circuit out of the equation, making equation out of the circuit. So we know that this is an OR gate. It's an OR gate. This is an OR gate. This is a NOT gate. This is an AND gate. You just need to know the shapes after practice. This OR gate has 2 inputs, A and B. So OR A, there is no NOT gate. So you can say A is 1 or B is 1. So we have an equation for this part of the circuit. Now let's look here. Or one input is B, another one is C not 1 because it's getting not. So this OR gate has one input B is 1 or C not 1. So we have two equations now. These two equations are getting what? They are getting AND. Once solved, look, the solved equation is getting AND. So this result will be, the one side, this equation will be, you can, I should just rewrite it for you. A is 1 or B is 1 and B is 1 or C not 1. So this is how it goes. All right. There is another way of writing the equation. We call it the Boolean equation. Just let me help you out with that. Just pay close attention here. ये देखो इक्वेशन हमारे सामने मौजूद है. इसको अगर मैं Boolean की ये जो जिस फॉर्म में लिखी हुई है, this is known as logic equation. I need to rewrite this equation in a Boolean form. A is 1. सिर्फ A लिख दोगे. Or is basic, or is also known as addition plus. Okay, so instead of or you can write down plus. B is 1, B, there you go. And is also known as multiplication, so you can represent multiplication with dot. B is 1, B, or means plus. C is not 1. Not 1 is represented with the bar. So there we go. So we can also write down an equation like this, and this is known as Boolean equation, which will really come handy later in AS, but in our syllabus we just need to know this much. So this is your logic gates. This is how you will going to get done with it. Beta, any questions so far? Just let me know if you feel like you just need to ask me something. ये चीजें तुम्हारी सारी पेपर उसमें जाने के लिए जा रही हैं. Today is Friday, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is. So tomorrow is the day. Okay. Eid probably Monday की है. हम चाहें तो आप लोगों को संडे पर भी लेके जा सकते हैं, ताकि I don't know if you people were like really busy. So let's see. अच्छा, तो हम अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ देखते हैं. ठीक है. लॉजिक गेट्स. मुझे चीज़ों को थोड़ा सिंपल करने दो ताकि तुम लोगों के लिए और आसान हो जाए. एक ट्रुथ टेबल वाला क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद में तुम लोगों को पॉइंट्स लिखवा देता हूँ कहाँ से जो है वो आपको प्रिपरेशन करनी है. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में इक्वेशन बना लेना भी अच्छा होता है. This is a XOR gate. A XOR is represented like this. A XOR B. अगर इसकी मैं लॉजिक इक्वेशन बनाता तो उसको मैं कहता A is 1 exclusive OR B is 1. तो ये थोड़ा आसान तरीका रिप्रेजेंट करने का. So shorter way to represent this. So I guess we should continue with that. This is a NOT gate, so C bar You can also write down C not 1, but this is a smaller way. The inputs are B and C bar now. This is an OR gate, so B plus C bar. This is again a exclusive OR gate. Now we have this equation, we have this equation. This whole equation is getting XORed, or you can also represent XOR with this, plus with the circle. So A XOR, this is not OR, this is XOR, getting XORed with this equation. This is the final output. So how to look into the questions? We have A, B, C. Only C is getting inverted. So let's do this. After inverting this, we are driving this equation B plus C bar. So B plus C bar. After doing that, we have this equation A exclusive or B. A exclusive or B. And after doing this, this, and this, we just have to solve this final equation. That is basically your X. It's mean in final equation you would be XORing this equation with this one. So let's start doing it. C bar. C bar simply means opposite of C. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. And it goes like this. Easy peasy. Now how B plus C bar works. This is your B. It's better that you look into one by one. This is your C bar and they are getting ORed plus. Plus mean if any of the input from B or C bar is 1, output will be 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Both of the inputs are 0, then output is 0. 1, 1. If both of the inputs are 1, still fine, 1. 1, 0. Any of the input is 1, output is 1. 0, 1. So I'm just doing it for you a little bit slow so you can have an idea. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. There you go. Okay, this is your B plus C bar. You just have to look. These two and these two are getting plus. Means they're getting OR, the OR logic. If any of the input is 1, output is 1. Let's move on to the second part. A exclusive or B. So A and B are getting XORed. XORed means that if inputs are same, output 0, else 1. If inputs are same, like if input is 1, 1 or input is 0, 0, output is 0. If they're dissimilar, like in 1, 0, 0, 1, then output is 1. अगर input same होंगे तो output 0 होगा. ठीक है? A और B को देखेंगे. We're going to look at A and B. 0, 0, inputs are same, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, they're dissimilar, 1. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, again inputs are same, output is 0. 0. So this is how we go. So now we get done with both the equation. Now at the last, both equations are getting XORed. Okay, so this is what we need to do. XOR B plus C getting XORed with this. So just have a look on these two things. XOR means this. 1, 0, it's dissimilar, it's 1. 0, 0, similar, 0. 1, 1, similar, 0. 1, 1, similar, 0. 1, 1, similar, 0. 0, 1, dissimilar, 1. 1, 0, dissimilar, 1. 0, 0 is similar, 0. So this is your final answer. 4 numbers mean if 2 are correct, you're going to get 1 mark for it. You're getting this? So this is how the marks are being distributed. And this is how you solve these questions, which are, the logic gate truth tables. So that's it for the logic gates. We have also discussed about the number systems as well. page number 49, 50, page number 54, of course, because there are number system questions there as well. I guess these questions are repeated because this second, the C part is from 1.3. Page number 59, page number 60, page number, just you can note that. I'm just, mentioning these page numbers for you people. So from where you can actually, prepare. 67, question which is on 67, 68 up to this B part. And page number 74, page number 75. Okay, listen, skip page number 75 because we have used the concept here, building blocks. It's really interesting. Okay, let's just solve it. It will become a little bit difficult for you. Just skip it. Just you leave this question 75 out of it. Okay, so we're just not doing building blocks right now. What is basically the gate replacement? There are ways to replace gates, NANDs, NORs, the universal gates. So we're just skipping that part for a while. Because if tomorrow is your mock, you just have to, keep things simple. Page number 80, question number 10, page number 81, the B part of question number 10. Yeah, this is important. Page number 85, complete question. Page number 87, complete question. Page number 93, complete question from booklet 1.3. And shall be more questions, yeah. Page number 113, complete question. Yeah, complete question. That will be fun. Page number 114, complete question. Page number 118, till the B part on page number 118 and 119. In 119 up till B part, complete question. So there are so many questions. Page number 125, this is really big and fun question. It is important. And page number 130, this is also an important question. The B part of it, you just skip the explanation, but you just need to draw the XOR gate. Page number 135, complete question. So these are the logic gate questions which will really going to help you out. Page number 143, page number 144, the B part of it, only the B part of it. So I guess these are quite enough for your paper one that will be conducted tomorrow, hopefully. Or if, let's see if I'm gonna, if you guys will have some queries, problems, issues, then I can, come online tomorrow again and we can delay our paper one mock till Sunday. On Monday it's Eid, so probably we cannot do after that. So these are the questions. I've also given you the important from 1.1. These are the important from 1.3. We have also gone through the logic gates once again. We have the recorded videos beta which I've shared on the group. Have a look again. ठीक है, मुझसे पूछो, फ्रीली पूछो, मुझे व्हाट्सएप करो, मैं बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं बनाऊंगा. मैं वॉइस नोट्स के फॉर्म में, किसी भी फॉर्म में तुम लोगों को रिप्लाई करता रहूंगा. कहाँ से कितना प्रिपेयर करना है, किस तरह का आपको जो है वो फॉर्म करना है इंशाल्लाह. So मैं इस वीडियो को इंशाल्लाह it's been recorded. मैं आज इंशाल्लाह आफ्टर जब उसको अपडेट कर दूंगा. so you people can have a look. Till then, but do let me know. Hopefully, masjids are open. You people can go to Jumatul Wada. I'll also rush to Jumatul Wada. Well, then we are just discontinuing with the class. Please update me. Please let me know. Okay, beta. Allah Hafiz.